Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to explain what is an attorney. An attorney is not a lawyer and vice versa. While these terms are often used in place of each other in the United States, they mean different things. An attorney is a lawyer who has passed at least one bar examination to practice law in at least one state. A lawyer, as we discussed here, is a person who has been educated and trained in the law but does not practice law or represent clients in a courtroom setting. An attorney is a lawyer, but a lawyer is not necessarily an attorney. Education. An attorney, also referred to an attorney at law, is a lawyer who has passed bar examination. Attorneys must possess a bachelor's degree, complete 3 years of law school education at an American Bar Association accredited law school, and pass the bar examination. Therefore, attorneys have the same education as lawyers, namely that they have received a Juris Doctor degree which entitles them to take bar examination. The bar examination lasts for multiple days and tests a prospective attorney's knowledge of selected areas of the law. A test on professional ethics and responsibility must also be passed. In order to receive a license to practice law, an attorney must pass a character and fitness review and be proved by a state committee that investigates character and background. All attorneys must take an oath swearing to support the laws of the state as well as federal constitution. The state Supreme Court then gives an attorney their license that allows them to practice law and be called an attorney. Find schools. If an attorney wishes to practice in more than one state, they must usually pass the bar exam in each state in which they wish to practice. Some states do have provisions for attorney to practice in cases in states where they are not licensed to practice law, and they may appear pro hoc vice, meaning for this one particular occasion. Attorney education. If you are interested in pursuing a career as an attorney, choose the level of education below that best describes your situation. Pre-law undergraduate programs, online and campus law and legal grams, ABA accredited law schools, Juris Doctor degree. What do attorneys do? The main distinction between an attorney and a lawyer is that an attorney has passed the bar examination and is licensed to practice law in at least one state, whereas a lawyer has studied law and is educated but cannot legally practice the law. While the general public may call attorneys lawyers and vice versa, an American Bar Association knows that there is a difference between the two. Attorney definition. The word attorney is derived from the Old French word attorney, which means an agent chosen by another to act on his behalf. This succinctly describes that an attorney does they act on the behalf of their client, defending that client, pleading for them and arguing for them. Attorney duties. Attorneys are expected to perform certain duties in carrying out their job descriptions as the represent clients in court. The duties of an attorney are different than those of lawyer. Although there is some overlap, the duties of an attorney include adhering to a code of ethics, representing a client's interest both in and out of the courtroom, act as an officer of the court, protecting attorney-client privilege. That is the relationship between an attorney and their client, in which everything a client says to an attorney is protected information. Types of attorneys. In addition to the types of lawyers discussed here, attorneys may also be classified under those same terms, with the addition they represent clients in room. Other types of attorneys that must be considered include power of attorney. This is a document that gives an attorney the financial, legal and medical rights to decide what's best for their client's interest. While it is common today for lay individuals to be given power of attorney in legal documents, the term originated as attorneys were originally given such powers. Attorney. In fact, this term describes an individual who is authorized to conduct business for another person. This is temporary duty given to the attorney, in fact, by a power of attorney document. Again, the attorney, in fact, need not be a practicing attorney, but rather a family member or close friend named in a power of attorney document to represent another's interest. Trial attorney. These types of attorneys represent clients in criminal or civil matters in court. Tax attorney. These types of attorneys represent client against entities such as Internal Revenue Services. IRS. So for watching my more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.